What is up, guys? Today we're watching funny memes I found from around the internet. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy. Let's get into the video. Wait. Oh, yo. Dude, that has to taste terrible. Yo, man, whimper. Yo, that sheep sounds like it was burping though. All that wine gone. Dude, you just ruined like 15 bottles of wine or something. I didn't have time to count.
Yeah, I'll definitely be up there, my guy. I just gotta soak her out a little bit. I've had about 11.
I think. Oh, he screams for he is stuck. Oh, you just the face of regret. He's like, now why'd I go and do that? Yo. Oh, what? He hit the ceiling? Oh, he's so cute. Look at that. Yo, that orange gushing, dude. That orange gushing.
This little fucker is
Wait. Yo, the orange started filling the
little
hall?
fucker is a rogue U.S. military asset and a danger to public safety. NORAD has deployed Reaper drones.
I want to pet the baby. Dude, ain't no way that tortilla is that hard. Tortilla. Ooh, that did not look good. Yo, the bird's just dancing. He screams because you have angered him. What? Kitty! Oh no, poor kitty! Yeah, wait. Dude, I could have told you that wasn't gonna work out. Puppy
God, look
dog.
how smart I am.
Yeah, quite smart. Face first into the snow. Stuck. Yo, what? Oh, dude. He saved it and then he lost it again.
Murphy.
Oh my god. Oh no, poor baby. They eat a bee. Why? Oh. Bro, he let the inner voices win on that one. Look at this kid's face. He's never gonna live it down.
Wait, he's washing his hands with the soap. He's washing his hands with the soap.
Yo, orangutans are cool.
Uno, dos, tres.
The model got a little too excited. They're just eating chicken? Yo, the raccoon's just chilling, bro. Look at that. Oh, look, he's a happy boy. Oh. Oh. I think you missed your jump cue there, buddy.
It's on adjuster.
Now, how are you gonna get it off? Oh, they just the sound. Alright. Why? Why would you? Okay. Alright. Look at the baby.
Chelsea, oh my god. You gotta look at this.
Oh, cute. Bro. He fell. Oh, dude. That sounded wet. Yo, they pissed him off. Yo. Right at the globe. Ooh. Yo, somebody lost their phone right above the water too. You're never getting it back. No, look at the baby. Look at the baby. He's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. That thing looks like it's about to fall apart. Yo, I went from a slip to a Looney Tunes fall.
I'm gonna throw this block of ice.
Do it.
On the ground.
Do it.
Ready?
Yeah. Throw it. Oh. That wasn't satisfying. Oh. Yo, did he just fall? He's standing on a tub of ice cream or condiment. I think he was standing on a condiment. What is Grandma doing? Oh. Yo, that just busted there. Shit, bro.
Yes. Oh, look at that sick-ass mini truck. Oh, my God.
Yo, it's a K-truck? Look at that.
Yes. Oh, look at that sick-ass mini truck. Oh, my God.
Pog? Oh, the kitten. Look at him. Yo, the crow. Yo, he's just taking money. He's like, thanks for the money, bro. You're paying for my dinner. Alright, that's a weird bowling style. Yo, they actually caught that? Dude, that guy's got an arm.
Really? You can't put air in a tire like this.
Bro, were they trying to pump up that tire? How did you not see the big hole? Big hole. Oh! I need to see that again. Steps over him. That's gotta hurt. Why? People need to stop. People need to stop. This is a plane. This is public transport. Get your grippers off the roof. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Oh, kitty. Oh no. No. Kitty. Coming back.
Get in your car, dude. Get in your car. I'm in my car. That's fair.
That's fair. That's fair. Oh my. Dude. They flew like 10 feet in the air. Oh, jeez. That's crazy. Oh. Couch surfing? Oh, wait. Oh, no. Dude. Oh, that sucks. The puppy. He's a puppy. That's not gonna end well. Oh no, poor baby. He just dragging him by the tail. He's like, "You're coming with me." Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, poor kitty. Poor kitty. You got brain freeze. This does not seem like a good idea. No, the TV. Oh. What? What was that? It's a barbecue. That's pork. I think. Or is that fish? That's fish, and it just rips apart like that. Oh, that was visceral. Oh, that was visceral. Oh. Yo, he's just shaking. He's just shaking, bro. He's just shaking it out. He's like, I'm having fun. Yo, look at him. Look at his long snoot. His long snoot. What is up, guys? I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. follow me on Twitch and Twitter. Link in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.